Imagine this. You wake up, look in the mirror, and your hair is just perfect. Shiny, thick, and healthy. No frizz, no dryness, just smooth, beautiful strands. But here's the deal. This is not an overcomplicated hair care guide. It's easy to follow, but if you miss even one step, you might not see the full magic. Now let's get into it. Scalp care. Let's start with your scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Think of it like soil for a garden. Massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to boost blood circulation and promote growth. When oiling, just a few drops of coconut or castor oil will do. Leaving it on too long can clog pores, so don't overdo it. Treat your scalp with care, and your hair will thank you. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Choosing the right shampoo and conditioner is key to healthy hair. Opt for sulfate-free shampoos to maintain moisture and prevent dryness, and pick products designed for your hair type: curly, straight, or oily. When conditioning, focus on the mid-lengths and ends, leaving the roots alone. Don't overwash your hair either. Aim for 2 to 3 washes a week to maintain balance. DIY hair masks. DIY hair masks are a total game changer, and you don't need to splurge on fancy treatments. For shiny, moisturized hair, a hair mask with eggs, avocado, honey, and olive or coconut oil is perfect for deep nourishment. Eggs strengthen hair with protein, avocado adds moisture and softness, honey locks in hydration, and olive coconut oil repairs damage and boosts shine. This combo leaves hair silky, strong, and healthy, and you'll feel like you've just walked out of a hair commercial. Scalp exfoliation. Just like your skin, your scalp needs a little exfoliation too. Gently massage a mixture of sugar, honey, shampoo, and almond oil. You can also use any oil you like into your scalp once a week. This stimulates hair growth and leaves your scalp feeling refreshed. It's like a mini spa day for your scalp. Just don't overdo it and be gentle. Hair washing tip. After washing your hair, do a final rinse with cold water. This makes your hair smoother, shinier, and less frizzy. Cold water also locks in moisture and keeps your scalp healthy. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Heat protection. Let's talk about heat tools. If you've ever used a flat iron or blow dryer, you know they can be great, but they're also like the bad boy of the hair world. A little heat goes a long way, but too much? Total disaster. We need to keep our hair safe from the damage they can cause. So before you start styling, always apply a heat protectant spray. This is like sunscreen for your hair. Don't skip it. We protect our skin from UV rays, so why not protect our hair from hot tools? But here's a fun tip. Heat styling is like that extra slice of pizza you really don't need. You think you do, but your hair will love you for using less heat. Hairstyles that protect your hair. We all love cute hairstyles, but sometimes our hair just can't handle all the stress. Tight ponytails and braids are fun, but it can be like sleeping in jeans. Unnecessary and uncomfortable. You wouldn't sleep in jeans, right? So don't do the same to your hair. Opt for looser styles that let your hair breathe. Loose braids, buns, or even a messy ponytail. Think comfy, not constricting. Your hair deserves to feel free, like you after your first cup of coffee in the morning. Also, ditch those harsh elastics. Use fabric-covered ones instead. It's like swapping stiff shoes for cozy slippers. Way more gentle and less damaging. Less breakage and fewer headaches for your hair in the long run. Use a silk pillowcase. Now let's talk about your pillow. Cotton pillowcases are comfy and aesthetic, but they're like sandpaper for your hair. They cause friction, which leads to frizz, tangles, and split ends. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase is like giving your hair the VIP treatment while you sleep. These fabrics are smooth and cause much less friction. Also, silk pillowcases are great for your skin too. Trimming regularly. Trimming your hair regularly is essential to maintaining healthy hair growth. Cutting split ends keeps your hair neat and stops damage from spreading. Trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep it fresh and healthy. Use natural oils. Oils are like magic potions for your hair, but they require careful use to get the best results. Use just a little. Too much can be overwhelming. Argan, jojoba, and castor oil help with shine and strength. Each has its own benefit, like a superhero for your hair. Apply a few drops to damp hair and let it work. It's the final step for healthy hair. For an overnight boost, apply argan or castor oil and let it nourish your hair while you sleep. Just remember to wash it out in the morning. Hijab fabric choice. For my hijabi sisters, Choosing the right fabric for your hijab can make a big difference. Cotton hijabs are super comfy, but they can also cause friction and lead to breakage. Opt for silk or satin to keep your hair smooth and protected. It's like trading a simple tote for a designer handbag. The silk is smooth, soft, and prevents your hair from getting damaged. Plus, your hair will be able to breathe more easily. Bamboo comb. Plastic combs? So last season. Bamboo combs are the new must-have. They're much gentler on your hair, helping to prevent breakage and static, like giving your hair the care it truly deserves. Plus, they're stronger, last longer. Pro tip: when you're combing your hair, be gentle. Don't yank through the tangles, let the comb glide through smoothly. Trust me, your hair will appreciate it. A bamboo comb isn't just good for your hair, it feels super smooth and relaxing too. Plus, it helps reduce frizz. You got this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your bestie who needs a hair glow up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.